So hello lovers of Boogie Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to style and coil this hair. So first you're going to slick back your hair after applying your hair wax. Make sure you're using your comb to slick the iron on your hot comb to slick it back, and not just your comb, to have that sleek look if that is what you're going for. Next, I'm going to do a middle part, and then I'm going to take a little bit of hair from one direction to the next to make a zigzag kind of middle part. So yeah, so you can just follow what I'm doing on the video. As you can see, I'm just going to be taking a rectangular amount of hair from one side and moving it to the other side, and this is going to give us the zigzag middle part that we are going for. So I'm going to repeat this process throughout the middle part till I'm done. And when you're done, you can do some tiny corrections based on what it came out like. If you're not happy with your results, you can go in and adjust it, you can go in and correct it, and just do basically whatever you want to do to have the perfect results. Like I always say, it doesn't have to be perfect, but then that doesn't prevent us from doing a clean job, right? So yeah, so now that I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead to correct it till I have what exactly I want. So here's what it's looking like. So yeah, I hope this was easier to make, because I know many people have problems with this zigzag middle part. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with and do my, so I was doing like 2 pigtails. So I use my holding spray, which is my got2b, and then I use my dryer on cold setting to dry it down, and then I'm going to hold it in place. And guys, we are done with that, as I'm going to do for the other section and our baby hairs. So now let's get into the coiling. So what you want to do is put your conditioner in water and you spray on your hair, then you apply your hair mousse. Then you're going to take your rollers and you're just going to roll the hair in the direction you want your coils to fall. So you can roll down or you can roll up, depending on which direction you want your coils to fall. And when you're done with that, you're going to use a pin to kind of like hold it in place. So you repeat the same process and you can have this. So I'm going to let this to dry for kind of like 2 or 3 days, and I'm going to unravel. Guys, unraveling is very important. Make sure you follow the right direction so that you can have perfect looking coils. And also, the larger the coilers, the more loose the coils will be, and the tighter the coilers, the more tight, and the smaller the coilers, the more tight your coils will be. So it's all your preference. And the reason why I use 2 coilers in this video is because I ran out of my big jumbo size coilers, which really did influence the results negatively. But then again, this is just a tutorial on how to coil your hair. So yeah, so when you're done with that, you're going to use your hot comb to kind of straighten out your hair. And I love to do this in sections so that the portion above is lying on a already flat surface below. Don't just do the top layer, do the bottom layer before you do the top layer, like I'm doing here, exactly like this. So you're going to repeat the process for your hair till you're done with all the sections. And when you're done, you should have something like this. Then you're going to spray your holding spray, which is going to help keep your coils in place longer. And voila, we are done. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on notification so that you'll be updated when I post any videos. I post amazing tutorials, beginner friendly, so you can check it out, guys. Bye bye.